What if there was a system that empowered your elementary students to open a box and build a working robot within minutes? Introducing Vex Go, an affordable construction system that teaches students the fundamentals of STEM through fun, collaborative, hands-on activities. Each set comes with everything you see here, even a mini astronaut figure. The pieces are color-coded and fit perfectly inside both custom cases. Each section is labeled by color and shape to indicate where every part is stored and what part might be missing. This enables teachers to focus more on the lessons and not the cleanup. With Vex Go, not only will your students learn about robotics, they'll learn how to build, power, and code a robot. Let's start with build. We've created free STEM labs that use Vex Go to help you guide your kids through a variety of builds, such as vehicles, robotic arms, and so much more. So, for example, they could build this robotic arm and learn the math behind the arm's angles or the gear's interactions. Next, they'll learn how to power it. Again, they're not breaking something down to start all over. They're building upon something they've already created. They'll take their robotic arm, add on the necessary battery, cables, and switches, and already they've successfully created a motorized robot. So in just 2 class periods, your students have already built and powered their creation. Finally, they'll learn how to code it. Vex Go works seamlessly with our free app, Vex Code, an easy drag-and-drop system that enables kids to learn the fundamentals of coding. So for your student's robotic arm, they can program it to turn, pick up a puck with an electromagnet, and collaborate with another robotic arm to complete tasks together. This is just one of the many examples of what your kids will learn and create using Vex Go. With these easy snap-together pieces, STEM labs, and Vex Code app, students will grow exponentially in their love and understanding of collaborative learning and build enthusiasm towards STEM learning and careers. This is STEM made fun. This is Vex Go.